Where do we come from? What was the land back in it? And what is going on now? More than anything, because I'm feeling to withdraw it has been a business investigation, and yet we have not received a presentation at the investigation official. When I'm actually looking now, when I everything, I was saying to myself, if I say I assume any problem for the now, there, which I gave this funded team, what I went with my mental head. Because you're now talking about operational things. And whether you can't say this doesn't work, this works. How would you get into the conclusion? In my appointment, if there's an intelligence that you have that says manipulation, these things, then you can justify and say, okay, well, before you continue that, I'll name brief here's all right. But the low stop operation on his track, investigation on his track, we stop it. It's going to have some implications. So that was my concern. But we taking that and pull me like. And for me tomorrow, would be a legal trader. Isn't being some officials because using some officials is a problem. Some officials of the next now. It's such a decision now, but a decision about officials of say decision in the final. In some way, the apply this man on it.
Angenalento ke sivela kanjena kwamina ngingakamtsheli yabona nje isiyahlupha ngoba
basafuna umtshela khona ubona ukuthi the reason why ufuna ukumbona into enjenganalezi
ngoba abantu yabona kwayena na izogcina ifikile shoot lento ngoba sazi phela iseculator kanjani lento manje
izofika
and inegama lami phezulu manje sethi awusangitshela into esensitive kangaka
ilapho esefuna umtshela khona ukuthi ngithema ngabe ngifuna ukubona ngale ndaba le wathi wona sihlangane eCape Town so umtshela ukuthi bona ndiyabona ukubona wathi sihlangane eCape Town. I was willing to grab in the weather because there are certain things that came to my attention. But when what was Langan in Cape Town, so it didn't Cape Town.
Sengombona kusasa ngimtshela sengomkhombisa nayo lento esibhalwe kanjela ngaphela
esayidini manje
na isikhuluma yonke into lena as much as nawe kade uwonisha ama fight back nani kodwa le kungathi kuya exaggerate.
That's what is going to stand up.
Ngoba yabona nje angikhumbuli uthi u small boy and manje into exakayo the real facts angwaboni lana yabona nje mekuthiwa mhlambe bekulalela ifoni amafoni ethu kufanele ngabe ubhalile la ukuthi akayiyeke lento mengabe clean no